Hey, what's up everybody, it's Bueller again, and this is TA routine number 7. And this video we're going to cover NVDA and CHWY just using the TA routine. If you're not familiar with the series, please go to the playlist section of this channel and click on the TA routine section, the playlist, and get a good hang of it there. But I'm going to start off with the weekly, like usual. Here on NVDA, we'll start with NVDA first, and I'm going to mark all the emerging candles. Let's zoom in. So I got one there, there. These are the tops of candles in which had high volume or broke out into a new spot. Move down to the daily now. Got one here. Got one there. We don't have to mark that. We have nothing there. We put one there. Going up. Got all those already. All those. All those. All right, now we can move to the 30-minute. There's definitely a clear support here because you have support after that. Barely used there and kind of being utilized pretty much now. One from that gap up, two is support from intraday. So it looks like you have a pretty good play on that one. You could also mark about right there because you have a good resistance here. Support, resistance. Kind of jump rope there. Support, resistance again. So it looks like we have a good plan already for NVIDIA. The trade plan would be above 522.50s to 525, higher 526. Looks like above 526s you can play to this intraday high, which is about 528. So that's a good another $3 move right above that 525, push up there. And then it looks like you have pretty good room to that 535 40s before another recovery. So let's back out to the 4 here. So just using some basic trend lines, what we pretty much have here is a good little range that price is stuck in right now, and price is at the more bottom side of it. So looking for some more recovery days on NVIDIA as we go across this week ahead of us. Looks like it should have some green days as semiconductors recover. There's some other semiconductors doing really good though, but this isn't just what they do. So that's NVIDIA looking good for a trade plan there. For the break below, of course, it would be under 514 to 512 into that trend line. But I would just play 514 to the 508 and then 508 to 503 and 500. Below that, you have to back out your time frame a little more and choose other levels that are here. I didn't do them all, but there'd be more here like this 493. You'd mark that because it's an emerging candle. You have another resistance right here, which is also a support. So you have a good level at 500, which I just mentioned. So that kind of stuff. There's always levels. And then CHWY. CHWY was the second stock I wanted to have in this video. I don't want these to be too long. I want them to be informative and very quick. So here, oh wait, let me go to the weekly. Start over. So let's start on the weekly, and we mark all emerging candles. The only one that's here that isn't an emerging candle is this one, because this is a recovery candle. This isn't like a candle pushing up into a new space, you know, it's not. Now, if it was like further in the trend and it was coming up again, like a second arch, then maybe, but this is just continuation, so no need to worry about that one. Zoom in on the daily. Let's mark that gap range. Let's mark this resistance here. Let's mark that emerging candle, that emerging candle. I think I got all I want. See, like right here, like I wouldn't mark either of these, but I would mark this one because it's a new space. It's coming back up from this recovery. So I'm watching that. Had another one go up, which we already marked that one because of over here. So that one lines up here. See how well these line up too? Like I'll mark them on the left and they'll line up with something on the right. So let's zoom down to the 30-minute. So we had one good trend up, secondary trend down, primary trend back up. Looks like we're coming back down a little bit. Perfectly fine. It's just coming down to test this resistance area, which was resistance. Now they're trying to utilize it as support. So if it can jump from here, CHWY has a good run. So I say below 104 to the lower hundreds again, above 107.50 to 108. Above that, you could play to the 110, 112 range again, even to the all-time high at 115 here. So that's our trade plan for CHWY. Again, please leave a like and comment on this video. If you guys like this series, please drop a comment below and let me know, like, you know, what tickers would you like to see me do next. I really like doing these. I'm going to try and just keep to doing 2 per video. But we just go through this. We review the different time frames. I give you my reasoning behind each marking. And this is a very simple yet effective routine you can do to sharpen your TA. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.